So just go there if you want to know more about this one. But I've been taking this for more than a month now and I've been loving this. This is local guys. Nakbili ko to.
Wow, 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 wow. Yan mo. Lemon. Sama ng tingin mo. Dapat ko.
Nag-ano nga kami, ako din eh.
Ah.
Tawa silang tawa sa akin. Ako yung naka-receive ng maraming smiley.
Ay, nakwento mo na sa akin yan.
Sabi, mukha ba kong tingkoy? Hindi naman daw ako nagpapataba. Pero
Naturally funny ka kasi. Hi guys, so yan, I'm going down kasi nasa baba na sila. I mean, sila Bobby. Kasama niya daw pinsan niya. So yan guys, we just arrived here sa Star City and you can see Brian ang order ng food. So, here's my fit food. Ano yan, isipin mo Counter-Strike. Kaya balo. Every.
Anywhere you go, you belong. Anywhere you say, anywhere.
I'm sorry, I wasn't able to record lahat ng kaganapan namin kahapon kasi medyo nag-enjoy ako. Nag-enjoy ako sa ride. And at the same time, nakakahilo sobra. To the point na namutla talaga ako. Kaya, ayun. Anyway, sinusulit ko na yung mga nalalabi kong araw kasi bukas mag-start na ako mag-work. Yan. Hindi naman pala totally work. Training muna. Late pala yun.
Single category po, 1 to 10. Bigyan po.
Yeah.
Yes. Ito, line up na po tayo.
Hindi kaya.
1 to 108.
walang 3. Kasi di yun.
Sino?
Girl na yun.
Hi guys, so this is my fit for today.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast and
Hi guys, so ayun, I'm rushing papunta sa Alorica kasi 20 minutes na lang and hindi ako pwedeng malate since first day ko to. So yan. By the way guys, I'm wearing these sunglasses na binili ko sa TikTok, so I'll just put the link below in the description box para makita nyo kasi legit sobrang wait lang, hiningal ako. Sobrang worth it talaga. What you see is what you get, literally. Ay, nag-room na rin sila. Say hi to my vlog. By the way, guys, may YouTube channel ako.
Totoo.
Oo, legit yun.
Kanta na natin, 1, 2, and Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Yes! Happy birthday, Banshee Dami!
I love it.
Lalaklak na yan mamaya.
Hindi ako inom ngayon.
Yay!
In the dark.